Hey viewers, SunGod 2009. In this video, I am going to talk about why I do not like Windows 10. Let's get to it. One of the first things that I don't like about Windows 10 is privacy issue. Let's go to Start, go to Setting, go to Privacy. You can turn all these privacy off, but still you have some stuff running in the background, which makes it even more annoying and more reason for Microsoft to collect your data, where Apple will defeat Windows 10 in that. But as I said, that is how your information gets leaked. Hackers get your information, and then it becomes a total nightmare from there and then, which is why I don't like Windows 10. The next thing I don't like about Windows 10 is their setting is discombobulated, and I will show you an example of one of them. You go to Start, go to Settings, and then we go straight to, let's see, we go to Devices, and let's go to something like Printers. Well, okay, yeah, this is good, but wait, there is more. I got more to show you. Okay, you could do the same thing like this. Go in here, go to your Start, go to Control Panel, and then you click on it, and there's the hardware and sound. Wait, there's Control Panel in Windows 10? Yes, there is. It still exists. Go to Hardware and Sound and go to View Device and Printer. Click on that and you get this box. Don't you think that's don't you think that's redundant here, Microsoft? Because I do. You could do the same thing here too. So what's the difference? There is no difference. It's the same thing, except the interface is different. It's really ridiculous. Completely ridiculous. Utterly stupid. Let's see what else we could duplicate. Let's see here. Apps. Uninstalling apps. Pardon me. I have to disable some of these because it was becoming annoying. But yeah, apps. Let's go to uninstalling apps. Okay. You go to uninstall apps. Hang on, wrong one. I'm doing it all wrong. Let's try to uninstall some apps. Let's see. Or manage features. Oops. What am I doing? Here we go. Program and features. Click on that, you get this dialog box, right? But wait, well, what's wrong with that? Well, we can do the same thing here. Control panel. Click on Control Panel. Go to Programs. We all know this. Go to Uninstall Program, or just hit the Uninstall Program. You still get the same thing. Kinda redundant, Microsoft. This is really ridiculous. Updates. Yes, their updates is a total pain in the rear end. That's right. It automatically does the update for you. However, if you're somebody who's like, no, I don't want to do the updates, well, it still does it anyway without your consent. You have no control over it unless you're somebody who is tech savvy, who knows how to go into things like the group policy edit and knows how to disable it from there. But it's still not going to stop them from continuously doing updates to your computer. The other way to do it is you go to Service, and you can do the same thing in Windows 10. I'm sorry, Windows 7, or any other Microsoft operating system. You go into the services, you scroll down to look for Windows Update, you click on it, you right click, and you hit the stop button, and that stops the update, and you go to properties, and you can automatically disable it. But like I said, this will probably be geared towards people who are more tech savvy. However, like I said, it is completely annoying, which is why I do not like Windows 10. In Windows 7, it doesn't give me this problem because um, in Windows 7, it does the exact opposite. Allow me to show you. Windows 7 is different compared to Windows 10. Now, in Windows 7, let me show you. In Windows 7, you click on Window, go to Start, go to All Programs, go to Windows Update, and then if you want to go to change settings, you have the right to decide how you want to do your updates. You have more control over it, and it is very easy, and you can decide when you want to do the updates. No big deal. That's what I like about Windows 7. And the best part about Windows 7, everything is unified. You don't have to worry about your setting being discombobulated. You need to do printer and devices, they're right there, or you just go to control panel and it's right there in front of you. If you need to uninstall program, it's right there as well. All in your control box, control panel. Everything is right there. Everything, see how unified that is? But if you look at Windows 10, everything is redundant. Which is why I do not like Windows 10. Now the next thing I do not like about Windows 10 is their antivirus. Microsoft has what's called Security Essential, where it will do where it will scan for viruses and do updates every year, which is fine. It is for free, and that is awesome. But in my opinion, I don't think it's the greatest antivirus that they have. Then again, no other antivirus is better either. So it really does not matter. It depends on you. But I also don't like Windows Defender because in the past it never worked properly. Case in point, in Windows Vista, when it first came out, they had Windows Defender and it was complete and utter garbage. And that's when they started introducing Microsoft Security Essential. And Security Essential pretty much was a better predecessor than Windows Defender. But I suppose after Windows 7, they improved on Windows Defender, and that's when they decided to get rid of Security Essential, and there we go. But there are other options out there. You have the ability to install another third-party antivirus like Komodo, or paid program like Panda Antivirus, or AVG, or McAfee, or you name it. It is all depends on you. But like I said, I really don't like the antivirus program that's on this system. And the other thing is, this thing also has what's called the telemetry, and that's another piece that's bogging the system down as well. Not a big fan of that. Next one. Let's see. Now, I will say the start menu is very convenient, but again, I don't like the fact that they put the startup program here and the services here when you have something like this. You have MS config. Everything should be right here, but I hate the fact that they make you do it in the task manager. But again, I guess to each his own, right? But in my opinion, I think there should be one right here just in case. But then again, it's contradicting to what I also have stated, because that will be redundant, just like the menus here are. The next thing I don't like is the Microsoft Edge. Now don't get me wrong, it's not a bad browser. It's supposed to be Microsoft's answer to getting rid of Internet Explorer. However, it has become a major flop, so they're now suggesting that you uninstall Microsoft Edge and use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, you name it. But again, this is still not the best browser that they put here. And the other thing is, I thought they were finished with Internet Explorer. I thought they got rid of it. Apparently not. They do have Internet Explorer in Windows 10, but they kept it hidden unless you type in Internet Explorer, and there you go. It pops up and is right there when you ask for it. And these are one of my reasons why I do not like Windows 10.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see any more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to subscribe to my friend Dulicate Toxic Wolf. And never miss another video. And I'll continue making more videos as soon as I'm done having fun with this Train Mechanic Simulator 2017.